Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and then start the first actionable steps. Make sure the target drive has enough free space and the system is on AC power. This avoids mid-process interruptions. Open Acronis True Image, sign in, and select Backup. Next, pick the source, either the entire disk or specific partitions, so the software knows what to capture. Once done, name the backup, set a destination, and check the default scheme. You are ready to move into detailed configuration. Now you handle the complex middle steps and detailed execution. Choose a backup scheme, incremental save space, full is simplest, and set a schedule that matches your workflow so backups run automatically. Enable encryption to protect sensitive data and select validation after backup to ensure integrity. These add time but reduce risk. If you need an exact replica, use sector by sector. Also set throttling so backups don't monopolize resources, and add exclusions for temp folders. Finish by executing the backup and then verifying results so you know the image is usable. Start the job immediately, watch the progress, and when it completes, open the log and validation report to confirm no errors. This saves time during a restore. Next, create Acronis survival media on a USB so you can boot and recover if the system won't start. If something goes wrong, check logs, rerun validation, ensure the destination drive is healthy, and update storage drivers before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.